Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is the best broker for your Tradingview. So here we are in Tradingview, and let me just hide those. So here we're in Tradingview. Basically, we can actually check out our brokers right here if you want to trade or you want to actually connect a broker. So let's just exit our full screen mode right here. And then from there, you want to actually go down here to the very bottom and then go to your trading panel, and then as you can see right here, you can check out all the brokers that are available. So the best broker is going to actually depend on where you live and the countries that actually resolve to your country. So if I choose Binance is not going to be available in my country, but it's going to be available in other regions besides mine. So it's not regulated in mine, so you must check out your own laws against that. So I cannot recommend the best, but basically my top three that I would choose is basically your Bybit, your Binance, and OKX. So those are the three best and one of the most trusted ones. So you also have your BitGet right here, and let's just see if there are other ones that have been trusted in my community right here. So let's just check it out. So basically just Bybit, OKX, and Binance. So those are one of the most ones that I have been using recently. Mumu has been also a big player in the market recently, so you can also do that. So it's either your Bybit, OKX, Binance, Mumu, and BitGet. So those are the biggest type of brokers out there with the biggest whales that you can locate actually. So from there, you can actually decide and choose which one is regulated in your country. I cannot say that for you guys because my country has certain laws on that, so you must research to do yours because you might get banned doing so if you do make a big profit. So there you go guys, that's my best three picks right here in your trading panel. So just check it out and connect your broker and you'll be on your way. And there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.